My fourth piece of technology is the Teacher's Corner. Um, this has several different things that you can utilize: Crossword Maker, Word Search Maker, Word Scramble Maker. I really like the Crossword Maker portion of this and feel it would be really beneficial for my students with their um, key terms that they need for each lesson. So I've put in some key terms and their clues. So you just type in the keyword and then the description or definition, and then you can go down and you can choose your different kinds of fonts. And with the free setting, there's only a few fonts you can use. So I just have Arial, and then you can do a cross down, horizontal, and then you click on make the crossword puzzle. It's generating it. Um, you can do a couple different things. You can name it. Um, you can add an image. You can also have a word bank if you want them to be able to have the word bank available, um, or they can just try to figure out from their key terms which word goes in which blank. Like I said, this works really well for my students with their key terms for each of their chapters that we do. This aligns with ISTE standards 3C, which is inspire a culture of innovation and collaboration that allows the time and space to explore and experiment with digital tools. And then 3E, develop learning assessments that provide a personalized, actionable view of student progress in real time. And that is my fourth technology.